Go, baby.
Here's an update video from when we planned this.
Talk loud. Talk really loud.
Okay.
Talk really loud.
This is a video of after we planted it. We planted this on April 15th. The broccoli and cabbage, the onions. I think that was what we planted. The tomato plant. One tomato plant and a couple sweet pepper plants, which they're not doing as well, which I think is because of the broccoli doing better.
So good, yeah. All right, go ahead and.
Anyway, so here's the first head of broccoli. This one got knocked over. This one right here got knocked over by a dog, and it's still coming.
It'll produce. Regrowing.
It'll produce. Here's another one. This one I don't understand why.
Come on, Jolene, come point out the broccoli for me.
I don't understand why that one is so. This one's bigger than this one. This one should be getting a lot more sun, but see that.
I know, I see that one. Come over here and look at this one.
Yeah, yeah. No. This one don't even have nothing yet at all.
He doesn't have a head yet.
No, hold on. Look at that one. Look how small that one is. But then you get right here. Look at this.
Whoa! It's big as your hand. Put your hand back down there, sis. Wow.
It's bigger than my hand.
It's bigger than your hand.
Hold
on. Hold on. Your hand's in the way. You gotta stand where Daddy is.
Put your hands on it anyways.
I want her to put your hand down there and show it. Don't touch it. Just put your hand above it. Just put your hand above it.
Like this. Put your hand above it.
Show Daddy.
Don't touch it. Just put it. All right. Good job.
There you go. It's big too. Go the
that
next
one's
one.
bigger though.
That one's a lot bigger.
Before long,
we'll have to cut that one.
Give it a few days, and if it don't, it's better.
This one is small in my hand.
Yeah.
But not bad for a little over a month. Jolene, you're going through my onions. I got onions right here. See these?
Daddy.
Don't step on them, please, honey.
Those are Daddy's root onions, honey.
Yeah,
the actual big bulb onions.
All that out too.
They've grew up good, and we started those from seed onions.
Yeah, I got to get all that going.
You see how good they look? Sorry, twisting the camera the wrong way. Here's the cabbage. They're starting to circle in and make their little heads.
Get over here, because I'm going to probably till this up tomorrow. If it don't rain, I'm going to till this up tomorrow. Get out there. I'm going to till it up, and I'm going to start some
The cabbage is starting to head up nice, but then your green pepper, well, there's a little flower on that one.
Oh, there is, but what I'm saying, they're not very big. Look at that one over there.
They're really little.
In the cage. Look how big it is. And that's a green pepper, a Dell pepper.
A green Dell pepper.
I planted these on the 15th. I planted those probably on
later.
Yeah, like
a while later.
5 days to a week later.
There's nothing here then? This never came up, huh?
Mm-hmm. Anthill, which I want to get rid of that, but I put 7 dust. Sis, that's why you got to stay away with no shoes on. Get that way. Go that way.
Mommy, I want you on
sock.
These are Brussels sprouts.
There's our Brussels sprouts.
Now look how good they've done close to these.
Oh yeah, they're doing great. But Brussels sprouts are a cool weather plant.
Yeah.
Jolene, you can jump on his trampoline while Matt's mowing.
Came up here. I had squash. I had zucchini that was supposed to come up in here. It didn't come up, so I'm gonna cut it and replant. Watch out, buddy.
Hey, buddy. Hi, Grandpa.
He's wanting to do that hair.
Oh. All right. Hold on. So here's our Goliath tomato plant, and some other tomato plants, and then the Romas are there on the end. I think this is a big boy and a better girl, because my dad always suggests it's a big boy and better girls. Hey, I told you Matt's still mowing or somebody's mowing. You can't go over there when nobody's outside. And then this row here is our leaf lettuce and spinach. And you can see how good that's coming up. Ryan just planted those from seed packets. Well, then you'll have to wait. Okay, and then those, I think, are more green pepper. Well, those down there are like yellow peppers. And then this is the real green pepper. Those are yellow peppers, or red peppers. And the green bell pepper, I think that might be another one of those yellow or red ones. And then those, I think these are potatoes, guys. I think these are our potato plants that Ryan cut up, the seed potatoes. I'm planting them. Look how good they're looking. And he just came out here and weed-eated before we did our garden update video. And then here's our garlic. They grew back naturally from last year. So So far, we've got a good looking garden. Garlic. Good looking garlic too. I was gonna plant dill and stuff, I just didn't get time to do it. Maybe I could do that in this bear patch though. He wants to start. Oh no, I think he's got some cucumbers coming up over here. Let me walk where there's nothing. Yeah, see there's a cucumber plant. There's a cucumber plant. I'm not sure exactly what those are. Maybe more potatoes? They kind of look like they could be potatoes. I don't know. I'll have to ask him. But anyway, hope you enjoyed our garden update video, guys. We're going to have all kinds of food to can and put away this fall and to eat fresh during the summer. So if you liked our garden update video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you. Jolene, are you going to come tell YouTube bye? Hey, tell YouTube bye.